Good morning, students. So in today's lecture, we will discuss a few more PYQs, that is previous year questions. So let's continue from where we left. So now here's our next type. In it, a word is given that is followed by three statements. All these three statements carry the given word. Identify the sentence or sentences in which the word fits to make them grammatically correct and meaningful. Fine. I hope the instructions are clear. So here's the first question based on this type. Start solving. So is it done? Let's discuss. So the word given is hamper. Let me first read out the sentences given. So sentence 1, the centers move to direct oil marketing companies to lower auto fuel price hampers the confidence of oil companies in investments made in India. Sentence 2, metro railway services were hampered for 15 minutes on Monday afternoon. Sentence 3, high street retailers Marks & Spencer and John Lewis and Partners have also released their own hampers which are far more affordable than the luxury offerings. So the correct option is option E, that is all the three statements, that is statement 1, 2 and 3 use the word hamper in the correct form. In the first and second sentence, the word has been used as a verb in the present and the past tense respectively. Hamper means to cause hindrance. The third sentence uses the word as a noun, which means a basket or a container. The word fits appropriately in the given question. Since the word has been used correctly in all the sentences, option E is the correct answer. Fine. I hope it's clear. Now moving on, solve the next one. So is it done? Let's tally. So the word given is tact. Let me first read out the sentences given. Sentence 1, the kind judge was tactful when he informed the dancer of her elimination from the show. Sentence 2, they came up with a tactfully to reach their destination in the fastest time possible. Sentence 3, he had an engaging personality and used tact in dealing with his patients. So as you can see over here, different forms of the word tact is used in different sentences respectively. So let's first discuss their meanings. So tact means skill and sensitivity in dealing with others or with difficult issues. Then tactfully means with skill and sensitivity in dealing with others or with difficult issues. Tactful means having or showing skill and sensitivity in dealing with others or with difficult issues. Hence clearly tactful fits in statement 1 as an adjective is required to define the judge. Basically, how was the judge? The judge was tactful. Then tact fits in statement 3 as it has been correctly used as a noun in the sentence. Now, tactfully is an adverb which can modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. The word does not fit in the second sentence as one cannot come up with a tactfully but with a tact. So basically its use is wrong over here. One can come up with a tact, but using tactfully is wrong. This form of the word tact is wrong over here. Since only statement 1 and 3 are correct, hence option D is the correct answer. Fine. I hope it's clear to you all. Now moving on, solve the next one. So is it done? Let's check. So the word given is adage. So let me first read out the sentences given. Sentence 1. Despite what that old adage says, I like to have my cake, eat it and then have another piece. Then sentence 2. Among other things, the writer is famous for adaging his philosophical ideals. Sentence 3. Tired of all the same old sayings, he adaged a new thought. So, the word adage is a noun which means a proverb or short statement expressing a general truth. The word cannot be used in the verb or a gerund form. Thus, statements 2 and 3 are incorrect. The word has been used correctly only in statement 1. Thus, option A is the correct answer, that is only 1. Fine. Now, moving on, solve the next one. So, is it done? Let's discuss. So, the word given is malaise. Let me first read out the sentences given. Sentence 1. After his dog died, he remained malaised for several months. Sentence 2. Many citizens who live near the contaminated river are complaining of a malaise that keeps them bedridden. Sentence 3. Weeks before his heart attack, Mr. Robin kept mentioning how he felt malaiseful and not like his normal self. So, malaise means uneasiness or restlessness. The word has been used correctly only in statement 2. The other two sentences use the forms of the word which do not exist in the standard English language. Thus, option B is the correct answer choice, that is only second sentence is correct. Fine. I hope it's clear. Now, moving on, solve the next one. So, is it done? Let's tally. So, the word given is interest. Let me first read out the sentences given. Sentence 1. She must be allowed to grieve and interest in her own way. Sentence 2. He urged further interest rate cuts in a bid to kickstart the economy. Sentence 3. It might interest you to learn that I have changed my opinion on that matter. So, the correct answer is option E, that is both sentence 2 and sentence 3 are correct. So the word interest can be defined as both a noun and a verb. As a noun, the word interest means the money that you pay for borrowing money from a bank, etc., or the money that you earn when you keep your money in a bank, and so on. For example, the interest rate has never been so high, or you can say low also. And now, as a verb, the word interest means to excite the curiosity or attention of someone. For example, I thought the book might interest him. Thus, understanding the meaning of the word interest, we can say that both the sentences 2 and 3 are correct. In sentence 1, instead of interest, you can use adjust over there. I think that would be more suitable, because adjust means to adapt or become used to a new situation. Fine. So hence clearly option E, that is both sentence 2 and sentence 3 are correct. Fine. I hope it's clear to you all. Now moving on, solve the next one. So, is it done? Let's discuss. So, the word given is ascent. Let me first read out the sentences given. Sentence 1, she made her first successful ascent of Everest last year. Sentence 2, she nodded her assent to the proposal. Sentence 3, his ascent to power was rapid and unexpected. So, the word ascent can be used to refer the act of climbing or moving upwards. For example, the cart began its gradual ascent up the hill. And the second meaning is the fact of starting to become successful. For example, his rapid ascent in the social scale was surprising. So, by understanding the different meanings of the word ascent, we can get that the usage of the word in statement 1 and 3 is correct. Sentence 2 is incorrect because it is talking about an approval of an idea, plan or request. Therefore, the word assent is inappropriate over here according to the context of the given sentence. The correct word would be assent. Both of them are similar sounding words, but here assent will be used, since it is talking about an approval of an idea, plan or request. Fine, I hope it's clear. Hence, clearly option C is the correct answer. Now moving on, solve the next one. So is it done? Let's discuss. So the word given is fellow. Let me first read out the sentences given. Sentence 1, he seemed like a decent fellow. Sentence 2, he is a fellow of the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors. Sentence 3, a member of staff was sacked for stealing from fellow employees. So the correct answer is option E, that is all of these. So let's understand the different ways in which the word fellow can be used. Its first meaning is it is used to refer to someone who has the same job or interest as you or is in the same situation as you. For example, she introduced me to some of her fellow students. Fine. The next meaning is fellow is basically a man used especially in the past by people in a higher social class. For example, he was an extremely obliging fellow. Fine. Next meaning is a Fellow is also used to refer to a member of a group of teachers of high rank at a particular college or university or of particular academic societies. Fine. I hope it's clear. So, by understanding the different meanings in which the word fellow can be used, we can get that the usage of the word in all the given statements is correct. Hence, option 5 is the correct answer. Fine. I hope it's clear to you all. So, that's it for today. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lecture. Thank you.